So welcome back, my name is Chris Wenani. Today I want to show you how to detail using Aplus in AutoCAD. I've signed in, as you can see. So let's begin. So you can also, I have already created my layers. I'm sure you know how to create the layers. So I come to the bar, then I click on it. So I want to draw a bar. I'm choosing the start type and the end type. Let me choose this one. So then we have the C is the cover, then the D is the diameter of the bar, and R is the radius when you bend your bar. Then we have S. I'm sure you can see it on the diagram where S is. Now click OK. This one is easy. You just place it from corner to corner, then it will determine where using the cover, it will place your bar where it's supposed to be. Then I want to mirror this at the bottom, so I click on it, I click mirror, then I want to have it at the bottom. Then yeah, just like that. It is very easy. Now let me try this one. That's the footing. So also at the bottom, now let me click on left. At the bottom, let me just go with the same type of bars, 20 cover, 20 the same type. Again, I click from corner to corner, just from this corner to the corner, then I close it, just like that. Now I want to place I normally call them the stirrup, or let me call them the horizontal members or vertical members in the section. So I click that one, then I click the number of bars. Let me go with 11. I enter, then you enter the diameter of the bars. Let me go with 20. I click 20, I enter. Then I have to choose where I want it to be from the start to the end. So let me first switch off this objects now. Let me switch off the objects now, which you can just click F3 if you're used to. So it's from there, from the start to the end. Click there. So I want, which side do I want, up or top? Of course I want to the top. I want it to the top, so I place it, but it's more at the top, so I have to move it a bit lower. Let me select all of them a bit lower, and also I think I will have to change the layer for it. I want the layer to be stirrup. So I click move, I move it a bit lower. So I'm assuming you know how to use AutoCAD. So I was supposed to change and I forgot. Let me change the layers. Let me just select all of them, and then I'll go to change the layer. So I told you before that I'm signing in, so you can also sign in your AutoCAD. Normally for us who use genuine product, we don't have any problem with signing in, but I'm sure if you're using a cracked one, you can also just sign in. There's no problem. So then I want to draw the vertical members. So let me I choose this one. The end type, I want it to be that way. Then the start and the end. Then I have to choose this one. I'm going with the left. Then I have to move it a bit up. I have to move it a bit up above the bars. So move command. Let me move it a bit up. There is okay. And then I have to draw another bar that will go up to the top. I'm just using the same type. So this time top to top, I want it to be just flatter. Then I have to change the radius. I want the radius to be very small at the corner where I want to bend the bar. So for this one I have to choose the right side. Okay, then I place my bar. Easy, it's very easy. As you can see, I don't have to go in to do with the line thickness or whatnot. Just have to click, just click. So let me switch on the object snap, which is F3. Okay, I'm done. Then what I want to mirror the two bars to the right. I want to mirror the two bars, so I click mirror. I type mirror mi. I choose the center, then N. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to draw the stirrup. I want to draw the stirrup using a very common command in AutoCAD. It's called array, which is array is normally in AutoCAD. I'm sure you know it. So for the stirrup, I want to use a diameter of let me go with a diameter of 6. So I'm sure you know why 6, why mostly we go with 8. So yeah, I'm sure you know it's provided in the BS. When you're supposed to use which one you're supposed to use, normally 1 over NS you check in the BS. So I said I want to use the array command, so I have to draw a line. Let me draw a line to use to array. My array is just like copying, but it's a bit different. I'm sure you have used it before. It is an AutoCAD command. So I click the object, then I click array, then I choose path. I want to array on path. Then I have to choose my path, which is the line that I've drawn, just like that. And I have it. So let me give it a spacing of 215C. That's 246. Let me try 250. No, let me try 200. I'll have to try 200. Spacing of 200. But I'm sure you can even use, I'm sure you can use 175 is okay, but let me just go with 200. Then you can see. So I'm done. So the next thing I want to do is to draw the section of that column. That's a column. I want to draw the section now. It's also very easy. Just 1 minute, you're done. So this software makes it a bit easier. So I'm choosing the bars. This is what you want, the top and the bottom. Then I want the top to be 20, the bottom I'm going to be 16. Now I want 3 bars at the top and 3 at the bottom. And the size is 200 by 200 of my column. Then I click OK. And I choose where I want to place it. I want to place it here. So I just click there. And you can see I'm done already. And so I have the Stirrup, which is the yellow. Then you can see the bars. So I'm done. So this thing makes it easier. So let me go with this one now. It's a T-beam. Let me detail this one also very quickly using the same command. So this time the depth, the total depth from the top is 500, so 200 by 500. Then let me just go with the rest as they were before. Then I just click OK. I just hit OK. I want to place it there. Click on it. Then let me delete the external line. I don't want it. Just like that, I'm done. Now I have to copy this one at the bottom, which I click the copy command CO and I choose the middle. So for you to choose the middle, I'm sure you know this, the thing to do with object snap. There is where I want it. Hit OK, and I'm done. So you can see I'm done. It is actually easy. So I was doing this a bit slowly. for you to see I'm doing it. But if you're used to doing AutoCAD, it's very easy. Quickly you're done, you don't have to go through many things. And you can see Aplus also, it has a lot of things which you can use, they can help you. So in case you're interested in Aplus, just let me know. Yeah, I'm attaching a detailed link in the description below. You can download it, but I'm sure also some people who use AutoCAD River, it helps a lot. You can add it in AutoCAD, or you can just download it. Before 2015 they were producing it on different, it's called AutoCAD River. So hope you like it. See you next time.